Ow! Mike, turn down the volume. Hi, I'm sorry Knife was so mean to you, but I'll join your alliance. Oh no, my alliance is gone. I'll avenge them by following in their footsteps. Well, that was unexpected. Don't worry, everyone. I have all the tools we need. Well, our team needs to win, and if I give them to you, it lowers our chances. I'm sorry, you're right. I can't believe what I've become. Take all the tools you need. Hey, Marshmallow, I found you. Good thing you aren't dead. Go on, So. Get in the pool. What laboratory? Why would I ever eat that? Here, Balloon, you can help me get the flower. I'm not sure why they wanted flowers, but they told me to...
Yeah, I agree, Pepper. Who cares? It worked, didn't it? Hurry up, Taco. Give us the lemon. What the hell?
I agree. Panda bears. I'll show you who to mess with. Well, sometimes you just need to watch out. You are easy to talk. I guess so. What plan?
Oh no, where's the baton? Must be somewhere in the guacamole.
I'll show you who to mess with. These haystack seats aren't really comfy. Sorry, but...
Germs! We must eliminate all of them at all costs. Scrubbing, all day long. Step aside, man. Let the professional handle this. Nice shot. Thanks. You really think it was? Hey, so, what are you gonna do? Sure, as long as it isn't a dirty one. Hey, that joke wasn't clean. Look at all this glass. Oh, you say I'm useless now, but how would you like it for you guys?
More to the left.
No, we should move over to the right.
No, I hate you.
I hate you too.
Scrubbing, all day long.
You three are left. Yin-Yang, you are reckless and fight with yourself. I mean, that's pretty weird.
It's weird. I'm sorry for the trouble we are causing.
No, I'm not. You're just dumb idiot.
Tissues just is disgusting.
No, I'm not. It's my condition.
And Apple, you're really stupid. Half the words you say, you don't even know the meaning of.
I'm definitionally challenged. Leave me alone.
Yin-Yang, you're safe.
Yes.
No,
Yin-Yang, you go too.
Yay.
no, I will not have such losers. Ah,
Guys, look. Marshmallow turned into an egg. No. Haha, that was awesome. Do it again.
That was awesome. Do it again. Hi, everyone. I'm here with something that will make you really cool. It's a chair. You can, sit on it, or stand near it, or even dance near it, too. No, my last chair. Protect me.
Now it's 1 and 7.
No.
Well, you see, we were thinking maybe...
The Pinkers.
You found Bo? Really?
Oh, no, but I found the next best thing.
Good enough.
Introducing the new Bo. Bo's alleged big brother, Doe.
Hi guys, I'm Doe. They're the best. What about be better a bear competition? Because bears are so totally awesome. Those are so 34 seconds ago. I like bears. Alright, wilderness. Hey guys, I'm bored. Hey, yeah, I'm bored. You should totally buy a bear.
Another chair rhyme, huh? Guess what? Nobody cares.